Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reset the password of your Likee account or how to recover your old Likee account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I've already installed Likee app from Play Store. You can also get it through App Store, Play Store. And after that, simply tap on Likee to open it. This is a public homepage right over here and I'm not logged in. So to get logged in or to recover your old password or reset the password, all you have to do is tap on this me option with the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to an option of logging in either with Google, Facebook, phone, email or Likee. I'm gonna get logged in, trying to get logged in with phone over here. You can see that I know my phone number but I've simply forgotten my password. That means I'm gonna reset it. So I'm gonna tap on sign up, login with phone. Here you do have an option of entering your password, but since you do not know your password, I'm gonna tap on forgot password just below login on this very left part. So I will get a verification code. If I'm gonna tap on send code with this red text on the very right part, tap on it. I will get a verification code on my phone. Just wait for it. So you can see I did a verification code and it has been already inserted as well. Alright, and after that I can keep my new password that I want to keep and make my account more secured, just like this. And when I'm done, I'm going to tap on done option. You can see I've been logged in. That means I have just reset my password and this is my profile's homepage and this is my profile page as well. So this is how you do it. This is how you reset your password for Likee app and also recover your very old one, right? So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.